Hi, today on Enso Homestead we're making a firewood carrier. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is cut a piece of paracord that is a little bit, about as much as I am, 6 feet doubled. And we burn the ends. Next, we just tie a figure 8 knot at the halfway point. Next, you find 2 branches and you cut about a foot apart. There's one. And then the next one, you want to cut about 18 inches. And there are your 2 pieces. On the smaller foot-long piece, you want to put the loop right in the middle here, and then just wrap this around maybe 3 times, then go under and back over, and we do a half hitch like that. And we do the same thing on the other side. Coil it over 1, 2, 3, and we do under, and then a half hitch. So you have something that resembles a coat hanger. On the bottom, you just want to tie, could probably be a couple of square knots or a slip knot if you prefer. Make sure to leave a fair amount of room off either end. Make it a square knot nice and tight so it doesn't slip too much. And there you go. Alright, now you have the makings for a fire carrier. This loop here is so you can hang it on a tree or a nail, or you can put a carabiner through it and lash it to something. So let's go out and collect some firewood. Alright, once you get some firewood in your bundle here, you take the longer stick and you interweave it in the smaller one. And now you have something you can sling over a shoulder while you're carrying wood. Again, here's so you can hang it on something. But this is only a small amount. Let's go get some more.
Already thinking about changing inside.